Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day. Simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Hey guys, and good morning, or should I say good afternoon? What's up? Hubby is home. Look, my hubby is home. I know he came home last night. Yeah, he was away. Hopefully he's staying around because he's gonna be leaving again in like a couple of weeks. But now this time it's not work trip, it's a different trip. So every minute he's in and out, and I'm stuck. Where mean you're leaving Wednesday? Where are you going? You're going away again? Do you hear this? Oh, now he's just telling me that he's going away again for work. But I guess after he come back, then he will be gone. So he'll be actually going on another trip where he has to be flying outside of Canada. So I don't know. Am I gonna go with them or am I going to be here? We will just have to wait and see. But right now we are going outside because it is nice out. Well, the rain finally stopped, so we are heading out right now. Yes. Well, let me taste one of these watermelons. Why do you pick up two? Why are you so greedy?
I cut them up. Ow!
What kind of cutting is this? Cutting job. Could you pull it off?
It looks bad. It looks horrible already.
You look like Sideshow Bob in your hair.
That's it,
Oh man, it's watermelon fresh. Look at it. The color's not even. Look how big it is in here.
Big and what is?
Big and whatless. That's exactly right. It's big and whatless.
Just like
It doesn't even taste sweet.
the inside tastes sweet, but the outside.
But you know what? I'm still gonna eat it anyway. I'm still gonna eat it. We are thinking of doing, I don't know, we're thinking of doing the challenge. I let the person in front of me choose what I eat for 24 hours. I don't know if you guys wanted to see a video like that, but let us know in the comment below, and I guess, I don't know, I could put it up. We can do it, and then we'll do it, and then if you guys want to see it, then we'll put it up. If not,
Oh my goodness, no!
So, yeah, we're about to head out just now and see what's out. What are you doing? We're heading out now, and yeah, we'll see you guys. I am so ready for this warm weather. I am over this bipolar weather that Canada has going on.
It's still warm. It's hot now.
It get hot. It's not that hot. It's not that hot yet.
Short and cookie.
It's a miniature bulldog mix with something else. It's short and turkey like some people yesterday, and just short and turkey. Stompa. Look at all that construction. But make you go play. Look how much hours you just drove come here last night. Really, babes? So you don't really want to play ball? You know what I need to do? I need to find a proper mount for the camera. That is the issue that we are having.
No issue.
Yeah, we have issue. What do you mean my hand? No, I need my hand to be free.
Oh, you're not feeling your hot?
No, I don't feel in here hot. Really? What do you need to wind on the window for? Hello, remember, no, me have low iron, so what is hot to you is cold to me.
That's why you're buying one car.
What? What do you mean that's why if I hurry up and get a different car? What's the difference?
Get one of the seat back part can block off. You turn on the AC up front and you can take it heat up.
Yes. Oh gosh, oh, somebody moving in? Looks like it. Yep.
My black man.
Somebody else is moving in their neighborhood. Oh yeah, because next week is the last. Yeah, this week coming is the last week of May. And then we have how much days? We have
Then
about what, 25 more days
Then
left
the
till
best month in a year.
June.
Mm.
Why is it the best month in the year?
Because it is the best month.
No, January is the best month in the year. You know why? Because it's a new year and it's the first month of the new year.
New year, a new beginning, that make it hard. You start all over in a new year.
No,
That
but
make it
that's
hard.
what it's.
Nope.
But that's the joy of it.
Nope.
To new begins.
Nope.
Okay, guys, leave a comment
Start
below.
over, start over
which
hard.
day or which month is the best month in the year?
Nope.
I say January. Yes, and
Nope.
then I would say December because actually I would say January. June and December, those three. You know why? Because January is the beginning of the year, and plus it is my birthday, and it's my birthday month. And I would say June because it's the middle of the year and it's summer. And then I would say December because it's the end of the year and it's Christmas, my favorite time of year.
So which month is worst month?
I don't know, September. I don't know.
September is the worst month. You never know.
Why? And why do the people want to know? Why do you think September is the worst month of the year?
Because every bad things happen in December.
Every bad thing happened in
Every
September.
disaster in December.
In a December or September?
In September, we say.
Okay.
September in Gilbert.
Okay. So you're speaking from like back home experience.
All over here.
And then school. Yeah, because September is when everybody generally start back school. Where are you going, baby? We're going straight. We're going downtown.
And the World Trade Center when?
In September.
Oh, okay.
This is how he's defining it. Oh my gosh, you're too crazy.
And the last storm Jamaica, which one again?
Which one?
They have one the other day where in September. Remember saying I'm going to be working in September and the worst month.
Oh, that's why he finds the. Well, it's okay now because you're not living a boat house anymore.
September, people in my bad breed too.
Oh, September people in my bad breed. Oh my! Why? No, why?
I date people in September and I bad breed them. I date people in September and I bad breed them.
Yeah.
They lie.
But it all depends on what type of part of September, though.
September.
Hello, no, there's different.
I think about they have
there's different types of
Jamaica, you know. You have a Jamaica, you know. A September they ban, you know.
Why you say
that?
In my
neighborhood in Amity,
yeah.
almost every single somebody a September they ban.
But there's different forms of September because you have people. Yes, people are born in September,
yes.
But you have people that are Virgos and they're in September, right? Because remember, you know, from August, what is it? August, about August 20th or something, or 23rd to September about 23rd, or just about 22nd is Virgo people, right? So you do have Virgos that are in September. So, and then you have from like the 23rd, and then you and then you have people from the 25th of September till like the 19th September to September to 19th to the 19th of October are Libras.
Everybody I say
you can. So then go say everybody are the same thing if that born in a June.
Well, no, June people are definitely nice and decent people them.
Not all of them. No, not all June people are nice and decent because June people them generally two-faced. Right? Especially the Geminis. 1 minute them good with you and the next minute then just switch up.
Any person who do something they don't know which month they man.
Right?
They don't know which month they
So you have that. And not because you're born in June that means all June people are good people. And you're born in June but you're not Gemini. You're more in the July. July usually you're Cancer, so it would be different. Yeah, you're the last day of June.
You can't tell somebody say me born on the 1st of July.
No, because your dad's born the 1st of July.
So,
but
Me born.
You're born June, but but your sign is your Cancer.
Yeah,
But that's what I mean. You can't say all whatever people are good. No, you got it twisted. You're too funny. But me can't tell us that all January people good, because you know what? Capricorns and Aquarius, yes, we are a good sign.
But you know what I'm saying? I don't see nothing wrong, like.
You face the
If
odds.
you sign, you know what I'm saying? You don't really. Me not really see nothing in that.
You know, feel nothing in sign.
People, man.
No, certain signs, certain things, yes. If you actually go by astrology, certain sign when people come to certain people, yes.
Yeah, we have it two same sign and two different person.
No, but you have, because remember what happens is, okay, so there's 3 parts of January. Your sign have 3 different parts. There's the beginning of January, the middle, and the end, right? So my sign now, like, because my birthday is more towards the end of January, I could have traits of Pisces people because of my sign. Based on where you are in the month and the calendar, your sign, you have different traits, because you also have traits of Gemini, and you have traits of thing. And then, like how your mom is born towards the end, she also has traits of what sign comes after Cancer? What is Libra? No, Leo. Yes. So your mom has the trait of Cancer and the Leo trait, because her birthday is towards the end of July, right? So it all based on where your sign is. And yes. All right. Am I wrong, people? If I'm wrong, let me know.
You're wrong.
Well, yeah, let me wrong. I don't know if you guys study astrology and you know about signs and stuff like that, or you believe in them. Like, do you ever read up on your signs? Your signs tell you to, like, what type of job you would be good at, the type of personality you are. Like me, for me, I could tell you one thing about me. My sign, I'm a bad liar. I don't laugh. But it's true. I can tell you that my sign.
You know what I want?
What is it you want?
You know what I want?
What is it you want?
One Oreo ice cap.
Really? Really? That's what you're into?
One Oreo shakes.
Oh shoot!
You play some with them.
One of those Oreo shakes. Oh gosh.
You didn't taste
So yeah, you guys, let me know. This is a debate that we're having. This one finally get him ice cap and him complaining about the people him half a cup.
Them getting out of hand, man.
Yeah, and if them put 2 little whipped cream on the ink,
you know why problem? They might get used to me.
They might get used to you. Oh,
when we just coming on, they're afraid of me. They give me a wally.
They're afraid of you, so they give you a wally. I saw you bad. Oh man. Technically, you're not supposed to get that much whipped cream. And them not supposed to full it. Some of them just kind of lazy and hurry, or they hurry. But there's nothing wrong with that. And if you want more whipped cream, you got to pay for more whipped cream. You're going to turn up here at the lights.
I can't want whipped cream.
You can do that. I bring you one whipped cream. By that time, it melt. Don't you dare do that. So disgusting.
Really?
Your car red. Oh yeah, for the yard. Yeah. The solar panels. Yeah, you can get them. Are you gonna bring them down now?
Yeah, man. I don't know that now.
But you're bright. You see your face? Why not? Yeah. How much was the guy selling us for that?
It's a 33 feet.
How much was the one that I was selling? We were just actually in the store looking up Apple stuff, and this one is just giving trouble. So this one here, it's blue, and then they have this one's red. Yeah, we're currently shopping for some things for back home. Yeah, that's what I want for our lawn. You know, I think we could get one for ourselves. Ronan can get one too. Or like what you would have it do is sweep across the lawn. So then it would so you would get two of them and then you can put two of them at the same distance. Put one would be on our house and one would be on Ron's them. People have and the people have exercise. You better come have it before they tell you pop it up. Really?
One different than me.
Yeah, that one's different. You're so funny. Mm-hmm. Next minute, then go say, "Are you puppy?" Yeah, it's like you break it, you buy it. Tell them about sorry. What is that? You know we still need covers for the cars back home. From when we buy the car, we said we're gonna get covers for them. How much years now has passed and we haven't gotten them?
You see, man, the cover he did.
Ain't dead?
Yeah. You didn't know?
No. When did he die?
I'm going to look for the man. I'm going. He said,
There's some covers there.
He said, which part of the man in there yesterday? He said, the man did the heart attack.
Oh gosh.
They didn't want people money.
Oh no.
So,
and there. Oh, that's sad. You know, I didn't know he died. Oh my gosh. Oh, babe, look, there's soccer balls.
That's not what it is. Can't really want me. My money by the
Oh my goodness. This is the kind of weather we got all caught up in, and I am waiting for babe to come and get me. It is pouring outside. So much for shopping outside. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. It's pouring and I feel like a wet rat. The rain just come down out of nowhere. We're in the mall and literally you could hear the rain falling, like it's tearing down the place. But well, that's it. We're heading home now because it is just crazy out here. You feel dry? And the water is so cold on top of it. That's the other thing. The water is freezing cold. We were in the mall and we're just here. The water just pouring down. Wait till what?
Till the rain will up.
Oh, no, I want to go home.
This is a place where you just see rain just stop.
Stop. You know, it went down for a little bit and then it went up and then it started going back crazy. So we're on our way home now, guys. Oh man. So hey guys, I'm about to fry up some leftovers. So I got some leftover food, some dumpling and stuff that we made. So I'm about to fry that up, and I have some chicken that we're going to have. So that is what I'm about to do now. We're just closing up. It's been such a crappy day. The rain catching us outside and all. So, but fate put out all that stuff. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'm just gonna watch out the pot and fry it up. And yeah, and then we're about to me and hubby are actually about to do a video right now. So yeah, you guys can look out for that video. So that will be coming out soon. Not sure how soon, but we're going to do that video, film that video right now. Yes guys, so I am frying up my dumplings, my leftover dumpling, and look at this one here. Huh? This one is on the hoverboard in the kitchen. I guess it must be his new way of cooking. Huh? Cooking on hoverboard. So it must be his new lick of style of how to cook.
I'm sorry about it. It's not my fault. I will be coming.
So what you got to say for yourself, sir? Huh? What kind of style is that?
Like that.
Huh? At least you don't have to walk. Oh, carry on your work. You're funny like. You're funny like. This one's on hoverboard. About his cooking. Alright, we're cutting up the food. So you got the dumplings here. Frying. Man, I love when we have cooked food and they're leftovers and you get to fry them over. But these were from last night. The reason why we have so much was because the kids them didn't eat.
I didn't eat.
And we didn't eat that much either. So that's why we have so much left over. So that is what is going on up in her. Oopsie, what are you doing?
So why you not eat it? Oh, so good.
What you say, got skills?
No, he doesn't.
Hmm?
No.
Why you eating out the pot?
He does it all the time. Jimmy does no! Don't touch the yoga ball.
Ah, babe, for you. Really? I'm recording.
Get money, get money,
Really, babes? Look how you look over the chair. So dinner is ready, guys. We got our things set. When the kids are ready, they can come eat. So them too busy doing other things. And most of the time they don't want no dinner. So them do them own thing. Look, and you got, they say, I got hubby cleaning, which is nice. So we're about to eat. So we got a full plate here of fry up food. And then we got our chicken. So we had made some stewed chicken breast from yesterday. So that is today's dinner. So we're about to eat now, and then after we're probably just gonna do the other video. We're gonna film the other video that I said we were going to do. And yeah, so I don't know if we're doing anything else for the night, guys, but if we are, I'll get back. If not, have a good night, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, right?
Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessing.
Passing, tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. When there's bad days, you know say you with up. Me with a trade house and car and shed up. Just forget 1 more minute with my brother. So you better spend time together.